See how the right side is basically not moving, and the left side is half a line maybe. So this is the point where you should stop and not screw it up. Remember that. Don't do that. So that made that worse and this side way worse. That's why you don't do that. It makes it worse when you do that. Oh well. I was going for better, not worse. Okay. Right there now. That's high on the bottom. High, high. Light tap. And this side didn't like that. Told you I should have left it alone. And this side got worse. Right there now. Right on the bottom. Right on the bottom, but on this side. Give it a light hit. Okay. Right dead center. And they're opposite of each other now. Can't take out opposites. Alright. Right side is moving slightly, but not much. Left side is moving quite a bit. Full half a line. Yeah, so overall, a little bit worse than what I had it before. I got it before, I had the left side a little bit better, and maybe, and the right side wasn't moving. It made it worse. Alright, so let's see what we can do about not screwing with it anymore, but make it better. Okay, so definitely all through here we can hit. All through there we can hit. They are off center slightly. Ooh, that did not like that. Ooh. That moved a bunch. Okay, we're right dead center. This one's way over here. That thing moves very, very easily. When it moves, it moves. Yeah, it doesn't take much to move that side. This side I don't like to move at all. There's your two high spots right here. Yeah. Oops. Oh, I barely hit that, did I? Yeah, this side moves easy over here. Yeah, kind of coming back to where we were. Not the first time, though. Second time. Still high right there. The shaft needs to go down. So until that goes down, I can't true it correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over here and give it a good whack job over here again. Straight down, same as we did before. Okay. Oops. Go back. Tripod does not like sliding there. All right. Yeah. Okay. Bingo. Me like. Right side's moving just a little bit, left side pretty much not. So let's go see if I can fix that right side a little bit. It's worse than the left, so I should be able to bring it in a little bit closer. Definitely it liked what I did. High right dead center. And if anything, about the same spot. So I can just tap it or I can spread it. I usually like tapping. Now the right side moves easy, so you don't hit it much. That didn't do anything. A little bit harder than that. And I knocked everything out a little bit, which I did not want to do. Went too much. Yep, that was too much. That side, good. This side, nope. Gotta find that sweet spot. Same spot, doesn't want to move. that one gets worse as this one gets better. Kind of back where we were. High there. And high on the bottom again. Same deal. I should have left it 20 minutes ago. See? Alright, I'm going to leave it alone this time. And the right side's moving a little bit, and the left side's moving a little bit more, but it's not bad. More than I like. It's high right there. That one's higher on the bottom. And maybe a little better than that. I might be able to get a little better than that. Let's see where that thing exactly getting high at. Right here. This one's right here. Help that, hurt that. Alright, I think we're back to where we started first time. So we got the right side not moving hardly at all. The left side not quite half the line, but it's there. Alright, so we're a couple tenths over here, and we're about probably 7 or 8 tenths on that side. I've got an indicator on it. So, alright, it's about where I was 20 minutes ago. I can dick with it for another 3 hours and maybe get it closer, or maybe not. Alright, let's go get this back in the stand. We'll be back.